Welcome to Guided, stories of signs, synchronicities, whispers, and waking up. This is where we meet at the edge of logic and listen deeper. Let's explore what happens when we stop forcing and start flowing. Here is Terry and the kite inside.
The kite? The guide inside.
Oh, sorry, Terry and the guide inside.
Hi, I'm Terry, and the guide inside. This is Guided. A place where we share true stories about the weird, the wonderful, and the wildly unlikely. Moments that feel like something or someone had your back. Today's story is from Michelle, and it begins, like so many of ours do, with a rough morning. It's early. Michelle's at work, already feeling off. She's on a job site, trying to do her thing, but the TCS, the traffic control supervisor, comes in hot. He's yelling, threatening to send people home. One of her co-workers, her driver, gets sent home. And then he turns to Michelle. Do you want to go home too? Like she's done something wrong, but she hasn't. She stays quiet, keeps her cool, but inside something's churning. Michelle knows this energy isn't hers. This isn't about her, it's his. His loneliness, his bitterness. Still, it stings. She needs this job. She lives paycheck to paycheck. So, she turns inward, or maybe upward. Okay, Divine, she says in her mind, I need help today. I don't know what his deal is, but I need to make it through. And if you're with me, send me a sign. And you know, I really love ladybugs. That's it. No ceremony, no incense, just a clear ask. A little moment of honesty and surrender. An hour later, 2 of the biggest ladybugs Michelle has ever seen come flying straight toward her. One lands on her arm, the other on her backpack. Michelle laughs, can't believe it, talks to her guides, thanks them. Feels that thing we all crave on days like this? Relief. Then, like magic, the angry boss comes back. And something's shifted. He's calm. He asks if she's doing okay. Offers her a break. Water. Even apologizes. Turns out, he even made sure she had a ride home later. The day ends sunny. 60 degrees, 9.5 hours of work in the bag. And Michelle, she gets her say too. She talks to the boss, tells him, you know, you can't come in yelling at people like that. That energy, it messes with people. I'll do what's asked of me, but don't come at me sideways when I haven't done anything wrong. That's just not okay. No drama, just truth. A clear voice, like the ladybugs. So maybe you've had one of those days too, that kind that starts heavy but ends up in a small miracle. Maybe you've seen something so precise, so unlikely, it felt designed. And if you have a story like that, we would love to hear it. Tell me what happened. You can write, make an audio message or a video. Find the details in the description below. And maybe your story will be featured on a future episode of Guided. I'll be here with the guide inside. Until next time, my friend.